Hi, my name is Liz Dunn, and I am the founder and steward of Love Integration Yoga. It's my life's pursuit to help people lead healthier, happier, and more meaningful lives, and to establish a sense of community around this collective upliftment. This year, I am so excited to be launching our Spiritual Diary membership. We will explore daily practices such as meditation, prayer, guided relaxation, sacred mealtime rituals, breath work, journaling prompts, earthing, selfless service, and so much more. Each month, you will receive access to a customized diary sent directly to your inbox, along with a detailed video explaining the challenge with tips, practices, and the science behind the benefits of the exercise. These small practices over time have the potential to create a lasting impact on your life. The membership helps you to stay committed to one super simple practice for a full 30 days. And the customized diary helps you to stay accountable. And even if you skip a day or two, the diary gently nudges you to stay on track with your goals. At the end of the 30 days, you may be inspired to keep up with this practice daily, seasonally, or whenever it feels right for you. The experience of trying something for 30 days is like adding a new shiny tool to your well-being tool belt that you can use whenever you need a little boost mentally, physically, or spiritually. At the end of each challenge, we gather virtually as a community so that you can discuss your diary and your experience with your peers. You will also have access to a private WhatsApp group where you can share with the group throughout the month for extra support and encouragement. If you live locally, make sure to take advantage of our weekly yoga classes, specialty workshops, community events, and yearly yoga teacher training courses. As a diary member, you will receive exclusive offers on our in-person offerings at the gorgeous Alegria Hotel. Plus, you will have access to our monthly virtual satsang. Each satsang is a deep dive into spiritual subjects such as forgiveness, gratitude, the yoga of relationships, and finding strength on the spiritual path. Once you take the first step, you will begin to see the miracles take place in your life. And Love Integration is here to support you each step of the way. Make this coming year your best yet by uniting the ever-present love of who you are with everything that you do, one simple action at a time.